Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content, and if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here, but we're going to find out. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there's a link right down in the description. And please, follow me on Instagram at metal_complex, right here. There we go. Okay. Get in here. This package was sent by Jesus. So, let's see what we've got. Alright, we got some bubble material, and, oh, another Spyderco. Okay, ooh, a little teeny tiny guy. Oh, wait a minute, I know what that is. I know what that is. Hang on, we got a note here. Oh, good. Okay, he sent me his information. Perfect. That's wonderful. That's all you got to send me is your info, a way to contact you. If you send me a knife, you got to send me a way to contact you. Email, Instagram, something. That way I can confirm shipping information. I say that because sometimes people just send me the knife, and they're like, my name's Bill. I'm like, well, thanks, Bill. I don't know how to contact you. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Yeah, thank you for sending me your information. So, what do we have here? This is a little teeny tiny little Spyderco that, let me figure this out. How does this work? Ew. What is this? It looks like a little dog called the Pochi. At least that's a... I kept looking at the name of it and wanting to call it the Pochi. He has his own engraving on there. That's not normally part of the knife. I told him that wouldn't be a problem. But yeah, it's supposed to be like a little dog. I find that extremely humorous. But it just... I couldn't not look at it. It's a little frame lock. Is there a way to actually flip it without wrist? I'll try. I didn't expect it to. No, I think if you're gonna flip it, it's pretty much... Or, wait a sec. Okay. You can definitely do the reverse flick with it. That's really funny. Forward flick, yeah, there's not enough room to hang on to it. But you definitely can reverse flick it, which is just hilarious to me. As far as using the flipper tab, though, you're probably gonna have to... Ouch. Hang on one sec. We're going to do the rest of the review with the unboxing with my left hand because I just poked myself on accident. Anyways, yeah, you're going to have to do a little bit of a flip there. Gosh darn, it's the teeniest, tiniest little hole. But I've got a little bit of spillage here. What do I have that I can cover my finger up with? Well, great. Anyways, yeah, this is interesting. It is titanium, and we are looking at CPM S45VN. I forgot that was the blade steel. Gosh, bless it. You know what? I guarantee I have a Band-Aid in here. Hang on. This is a unique... this is a unique unboxing. Could have sworn somebody sent me a pack with Band-Aids in it at some point. Ah, where are they? Surely a guy who runs a knife channel has one band... Ah, here we go. I found him, guys. I have Damasteel Band-Aids. Let's put one on. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna roll with this. I'm not gonna edit it. It's just gonna be part of the video. Oh, these are cool. Alright, hang on. Hang on. You guys aren't seeing this, but I'm gonna get it on. You gotta dry it off. And where is it? Right there. Okay, let's put that on here, and there we go. We're good. Okay, so anyways, CPM S45VN, and this is a Taichung Taiwan build. What's interesting here is that this sort of pivot collar, I guess is what we're going to call it, is also the over travel stop for the frame lock. The function of the tail, what does that do? I have no idea. It is simply it's just a tail. I don't understand if there's another function for it. There might not be. That might just be it. It's on washers, though. I think the funny thing with this knife is, and because of how the camera is, I don't know that it's gonna you'll be able to see, but it will stand up and like a little dog. We've reached a funny stage of the knife world, but then again, stuff like this has always existed in one form or another, right? Is this going to be the most useful knife in the entire world? No. But is it interesting? Yeah, you bet. I still want to take a look at it. I still want to talk about it. I have a feeling that this is fairly expensive considering where it's made, what it's made out of, right? This is titanium. And it is obviously well made. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm feeling a little bit of lock stick here. It's not the first Taichung Taiwan frame lock I've ever felt lock stick with, but it is minor as far as lock stick goes. I mean, you can see we're locking up fairly late here, which also is not uncommon for Spyderco Taichung Taiwan knives. I've seen those frame locks lock up a little bit late, but not to where it's a problem. It's a problem if there's up and down blade play, and there's not. But I'm feeling a teeny tiny little bit of lock stick. Honestly, no more than my current S45VN Spanto. It's about the same. Lock stick, I've always maintained, is not a problem unless you need a tool, or you almost need a tool to disengage the frame lock. So no big deal, but just wanted to be honest about that. Pretty neat. Obviously, the massive benefit to this is that it is super, super tiny. So it's not going to be a difficult knife to carry. But it is certainly an odd object. Keep your finger out of the way of that blade when you flick it out. That was an example of someone being stupid, and this is what happens when that occurs. These are cool Band-Aids. I got these from, where did these come from? I have no idea. Well, here you go. This is everything that's on the everything that's on the deal here. Oh gosh, there's a little bit of me on the packaging there. Okay, anyways, that's going to be pretty much it. This was certainly a unique unboxing. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Thank you again, Jesus, for sending this in. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.